Celebrate Kwanzaa with some delicious traditional dishes. In our latest video, we share some easy and tasty recipes that you can prepare at home, including jollof rice, black-eyed peas, collard greens, fried plantains, and cinnamon oranges. Whether you are new to Kwanzaa or have been celebrating for years, these recipes are a great way to add some flavor and fun to your holiday season. Food is often central to celebrations such as holidays, birthdays, and other special occasions, and it can serve as a way to honor cultural and familial traditions. For example, certain dishes or recipes may be passed down through generations and hold special meaning for a family. Preparing and sharing these foods can help to preserve cultural identity and create a sense of continuity and belonging within a family. African American cooking and cuisine is a culinary tradition that is rooted in the history of the African diaspora. It is unique and vibrant and has been shaped by the diverse cultural influences of Africa, the Caribbean, and other places. It is truly a reflection of the resilience, creativity, and resourcefulness of the African American community. Jollof rice is a popular dish that is enjoyed in many West African countries, and it is often served at Kwanzaa celebrations. It is made with long grain rice, tomatoes, onions, and a variety of spices, and it can be served with a variety of proteins such as beef or chicken. Jollof rice is believed to be the predecessor dish to Louisiana's jambalaya. Black-eyed peas are believed to be native to northern Africa, where they have been growing wild for thousands of years. In African American culture, black-eyed peas are often considered a symbol of good luck and prosperity. They are often served on New Year's Day as a way to bring good fortune in the coming year. Thanks to its high fiber content, collard greens have a beneficial effect on both blood pressure and cholesterol. Collard greens are a leafy green vegetable that is popular in African American cuisine, particularly in the southern United States. They are often served with cornbread and other southern dishes. So what's the difference between plantains and bananas? Plantains are usually larger and tougher than bananas, with much thicker skin. Plantains have more starch than bananas and are not very sweet when green. Oranges are a popular fruit in many parts of the world, and they are often associated with African American cuisine. Eating oranges in the new year is believed to bring abundance. Sprinkle some honey and a little bit of cinnamon, and your new year will surely be magical. Many people enjoy food when they gather for Kwanzaa every night. But on December 31st is Karamu, which is the Kwanzaa feast. The emotional significance of food to family traditions and celebrations is significant, and it plays an important role in creating a sense of belonging, connection, and support within a family. Please join us as we celebrate the fourth night of Kwanzaa in this short candle lighting ceremony.
Habaragani.
Ujamaa.
Ujama's meaning is cooperative economics. Ujama's reflection is, what you give, you get, 10 times over. Harambe, 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 Harambe.
If you want to learn more about Kwanzaa or Black history, check out our workbooks and guides at cmarepress.com.